Good morning, Muscle Car Corner. Bringing you a really nice red 69 Z28 DZ 302 car. Got some headers on it. I love me a DZ 302 car. There's the info on it. This car looks really good in red. Looks like some of the options are the rear bumper guards on this. These cars weren't heavily optioned. It does have the console gauges. This car just looks really good in this red. You don't really see a lot of them red DZ302 cars. Motor compartment's really dialed in. Looks nice. Everything's correct. They did a little bit of time with one stamp on it right there on the cowl. Well, Muscle Car Corner sign out on a beautiful 69 Z28. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Sure appreciate y'all.